Corozal Animal Welfare Advocates. Around the Community Health Center in Corozal, Belize, this sweet, tiny little puppy was found. And she was very much so skin and bones, lethargic. It was so hard to see her this way, and the community of Corozal felt the same. They reached out to Kawa and asked if anyone would be able to help her. And luckily, a foster was waiting. She just had to get a checkup at the vet and then be delivered to her new foster home. She started waiting for her very important visit at the vet, and she just looked so tired and confused. Her current state was described as almost having like a hangover type headache, especially because she was dehydrated. Little bun bun. Just because some people had given up on her doesn't mean that Kawa was about to. She received some medicine, some nail trimming, and some fluids that helped her perk up, and she actually looked like trying for life again. Even though life has scary car rides. When we left Dr. Charles with our sweet baby feeling a little bit better, he gave us a recommendation to pick up some beef liver that she could eat in small increments parboiled. And as the car was stopped moving in front of the store, she got to sleep a little bit more. But you know how kids are. Oh, girlfriend. Oh, is she up and moving? Then it was about a half-hour car ride, and she slept almost the whole way. It was a beautiful journey for a beautiful little girl who was almost at her beautiful new home. At her new home, she would have a mama, a grandma, 2 new siblings, and a fenced-in yard to help her explore. Could I get a picture of your dogs?
Oh, it is.
Thank you. Just saying hi.
¿Qué pasó, Paqui? Hay otro chichito, ¿ves?